Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of brand messaging. Whether you're launching a new business or refreshing your current brand, having a strong, clear message is essential. Your brand message is more than just a catchy slogan, it's the core idea that tells your audience who you are, what you stand for, and why they should care. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to craft a compelling brand message and define your unique value. Let's start by understanding why a strong brand message matters and how it can set you apart in a crowded marketplace. Brand message is the central narrative that communicates your brand's purpose, values, and promise to your audience. It's not just about what you sell, but why you exist and how you make a difference. Think of it as the story you want people to remember when they think of your brand. A strong brand message resonates emotionally, builds trust, and inspires loyalty. In the next scenes, we'll break down the elements that make up an effective brand message and how you can develop one that truly reflects your business. Brand messaging is the backbone of your marketing efforts. It shapes how customers perceive you and influences their decisions. When your message is clear and consistent, it helps you stand out from competitors and makes it easier for people to connect with your brand. A well-crafted message can turn casual buyers into loyal advocates. As we move forward, keep in mind that every interaction with your audience is an opportunity to reinforce your brand message and build lasting relationships. Every strong brand message begins with a clear purpose. Ask yourself, why does your brand exist? What problems are you solving for your customers? Your purpose goes beyond making a profit, it's about the impact you want to have in the world. Defining your purpose sets the foundation for everything else. It guides your decisions, inspires your team, and attracts customers who share your values. In the next scene, we'll explore how to identify your brand's core value. Your core values are the guiding principles that shape your brand's culture and behavior. They influence how you interact with customers, make decisions, and present yourself to the world. Take time to reflect on what matters most to your business. Are you committed to innovation, quality, customer service, or sustainability? Clearly defining your values helps ensure consistency in your messaging and actions. Next, we'll look at how to understand your target audience. Craft a message that resonates. You need to know who you're speaking to. Start by identifying your ideal customer. What are their needs, desires, and pain points? What motivates them to choose your brand over others? Use surveys, interviews, and market research to gather insights. The better you understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your message to address their specific concerns and aspirations. Next, we'll discuss how to define your unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition is what sets you apart from the competition. It's the reason customers should choose you over others. To define it, consider what you do better or differently. Maybe it's your exceptional customer service, innovative products, or commitment to sustainability. Be specific and authentic. Generic claims won't cut it. Your unique value should be woven into every aspect of your brand message. In the following scenes, we'll explore how to communicate this value clearly. Clarity is key when it comes to brand messaging. Avoid jargon and complicated language. Your message should be easy to understand and remember. Focus on the main benefit you offer and why it matters to your audience. Use simple, direct language that speaks to their needs and emotions. Remember, a confused customer rarely buys. In the next scene, we'll look at how to make your message memorable. Memorable brand message sticks in people's minds. Use storytelling, vivid imagery, or a catchy phrase to help your message stand out. Consistency is also important. Repeat your message across all channels, from your website to social media. The more often people hear your message, the more likely they are to remember it. Next, we'll discuss the importance of emotional connection in brand messaging. People don't just buy products, they buy feelings and experiences. Your brand message should tap into the emotions of your audience. Think about the feelings you want to evoke: trust, excitement, security, or inspiration. Use language and stories that reflect these emotions. When customers feel a personal connection to your brand, they're more likely to become loyal advocates. In the next scene, we'll see how to align your message with your brand's visual identity. Your brand message and visual identity should work hand in hand. Colors, fonts, and imagery all play a role in reinforcing your message. For example, a brand focused on innovation might use bold colors and modern designs, while a brand centered on trust might choose softer tones and classic styles. Consistency across visuals and messaging builds recognition and trust. Next, we'll talk about the importance of consistency in your brand message. Consistency is crucial for building a strong brand. Your message should be the same across all platforms: websites, social media, advertising, and customer service. When your audience sees the same message everywhere, it reinforces your brand's identity and builds trust. Inconsistent messaging can confuse customers and weaken your brand. In the next scene, we'll explore how to adapt your message for different channels while staying true to your core value. While consistency is important, you also need to adapt your message for different platforms. The way you communicate on Instagram might differ from how you speak on LinkedIn or in an email newsletter. Tailor your tone, format, and visuals to fit each channel, but keep your core message intact. This ensures your brand feels authentic and relevant wherever your audience interacts with you. Next, we'll discuss the role of storytelling in brand messaging. Stories are a powerful way to communicate your brand message. They make your brand relatable and memorable. Share stories about your origins, your team, or your customer successes. Real-life examples help people connect with your brand on a personal level. Storytelling also makes complex ideas easier to understand. In the next scene, we'll look at how to use customer testimonials to strengthen your message. Customer testimonials are a great way to add credibility to your brand message. When real people share their positive experiences, it builds trust and shows that you deliver on your promises. Use quotes, case studies, or video testimonials to highlight how your brand has made a difference. Make sure these stories align with your core message and values. Next, we'll discuss how to keep your message fresh and relevant over time. Market and your audience's needs are always evolving. It's important to review and update your brand message regularly. Stay tuned to industry trends, listen to customer feedback, and be willing to adapt. A fresh, relevant message keeps your brand top of mind and shows that you're responsive to change. In the next scene, we'll explore how to involve your team in the messaging process. Your team plays a vital role in delivering your brand message. Involve them in the process of crafting and refining your message. Encourage open communication and gather input from different departments. When everyone understands and believes in the brand message, it's easier to deliver a consistent experience to customers. Next, we'll look at how to train your team to communicate your message effectively. Training your team ensures that everyone communicates the brand message consistently. Provide clear guidelines and examples of how to talk about your brand. Role-playing and workshops can help team members practice delivering the message in different situations. Consistent communication builds trust with customers and strengthens your brand's reputation. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to measure the effectiveness of your brand message. It's important to know if your brand message is working. Track key metrics like brand awareness, customer engagement, and sales growth. Use surveys and feedback to understand how your message is perceived. If you notice confusion or lack of engagement, it may be time to refine your message. Regular measurement helps you stay on track and ensures your message continues to resonate. Next, we'll explore how to handle negative feedback. Negative feedback can be valuable for improving your brand message. Listen carefully to what customers are saying and look for patterns. Address concerns honestly and make changes where necessary. Showing that you value feedback and are willing to improve builds trust and loyalty. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of authenticity in your brand message. Authenticity is at the heart of a strong brand message. Be honest about who you are and what you offer. Avoid exaggerations or making promises you can't keep. Customers appreciate transparency and are more likely to trust brands that are genuine. Authentic messaging also attracts the right audience, people who truly connect with your values. Next, we'll look at how to differentiate your brand in a crowded market. In a crowded marketplace, differentiation is key. Highlight what makes your brand unique, whether it's your story, your approach, or your values. Avoid generic claims and focus on specific qualities that set you apart. Use your brand message to showcase your strengths and connect with your target audience. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to use visuals to reinforce your message. Visual elements like logos, colors, and imagery play a big role in communicating your brand message. Choose visuals that reflect your brand's personality and values. Consistent use of visuals across all platforms helps reinforce your message and makes your brand more recognizable. Next, we'll explore how to use language and tone to strengthen your brand message. The tone of your brand message should match your brand's personality and appeal to your audience. Are you formal or casual, playful or serious? The right tone helps create a strong emotional connection and makes your message more relatable. Be consistent with your tone across all communications. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of clarity in your messaging. Clarity ensures that your audience understands your message quickly and easily. Avoid using jargon or complex language. Focus on the main points you want to communicate and make sure they're easy to grasp. Clear messaging reduces confusion and increases the chances that your audience will remember and act on your message. Next, we'll look at how to use calls to action effectively. Strong brand message often includes a call to action, something you want your audience to do next. Whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase, your call to action should be clear and compelling. Use action-oriented language and make it easy for people to take the next step. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to test and refine your calls to action. Not all calls to action will work equally well. Test different versions to see which ones get the best response. Use A/B testing, track results, and gather feedback. Refine your calls to action based on what you learn. This process helps you maximize engagement and ensures your brand message drives results. Next, we'll explore how to use content marketing to amplify your brand message. Content marketing is a powerful way to spread your brand message. Create valuable content like blog posts, videos, and social media updates that reflects your message and values. Share stories, tips, and insights that help your audience and reinforce your brand identity. Consistent, high-quality content builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. In the next scene, we'll discuss the role of social media in brand messaging. Social media platforms offer a direct way to connect with your audience and share your brand message. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter to engage with followers, answer questions, and share updates. Tailor your content to fit each platform's style and audience. Social media also provides valuable feedback and insights into what resonates with your audience. Next, we'll look at how to use email marketing to reinforce your message. Email marketing is a great way to keep your audience informed and engaged. Use regular newsletters to share updates, stories, and offers that reflect your brand message. Personalize your emails to make recipients feel valued. Consistent, relevant emails help build relationships and keep your brand top of mind. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of customer experience in brand messaging. Every interaction a customer has with your brand shapes their perception. Make sure your brand message is reflected in every touchpoint from your website to customer service. A positive, consistent experience builds trust and loyalty. Listen to customer feedback and look for ways to improve. Next, we'll explore how to use partnerships to expand your brand message. Partnerships with other brands or organizations can help you reach new audiences and reinforce your brand message. Choose partners that share your values and complement your strengths. Collaborate on campaigns, events, or content that highlights your shared message. Partnerships can add credibility and introduce your brand to new communities. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to handle brand crises. Every brand faces challenges at some point. When a crisis hits, your brand message becomes even more important. Communicate honestly and quickly, acknowledge the issue, and explain how you're addressing it. Stay true to your values and keep your audience informed. How you handle a crisis can strengthen or damage your brand's reputation. Next, we'll look at how to celebrate successes and milestones. Celebrating your brand's successes and milestones is a great way to reinforce your message and build morale. Share achievements with your audience, whether it's reaching a sales goal, launching a new product, or receiving an award. Use these moments to highlight your values and thank your supporters. Celebrations create positive associations and strengthen your brand community. Next, we'll discuss the importance of long-term vision and brand messaging. Strong brand message isn't just about today, it's about where you're headed. Share your long-term vision with your audience. Let them know what you're working toward and how they can be part of your journey. A clear vision inspires loyalty and motivates both your team and your customers. In the next scene, we'll explore how to use feedback to evolve your brand message. Your brand message should evolve as your business grows and your audience changes. Regularly seek feedback from customers, employees, and partners. Use what you learn to refine your message and stay relevant. Being open to change shows that you value your audience and are committed to continuous improvement. Next, we'll discuss the importance of monitoring your competition. Keep an eye on what your competitors are doing. Analyze their messaging, strengths, and weaknesses. Learn from their successes and mistakes, but don't copy them. Use your insights to differentiate your brand and strengthen your unique value. Staying aware of the competitive landscape helps you stay ahead and adapt to changes in the market. Next, we'll look at how to use data to inform your messaging strategy. Data can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Track metrics like engagement, conversions, and customer sentiment. Use analytics tools to identify trends and opportunities. Data-driven decisions help you refine your message and maximize impact. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of brand ambassadors. Brand ambassadors, whether employees or loyal customers, can help spread your message. Empower them with the tools and information they need to represent your brand accurately. Encourage them to share their experiences and stories. Ambassadors add authenticity and help expand your reach. Next, we'll explore how to maintain brand integrity as you grow. As your brand grows, it's important to maintain integrity. Stay true to your values and message, even as you expand into new markets or launch new products. Consistency and authenticity build long-term trust. Regularly review your messaging to ensure it aligns with your brand's core identity. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to celebrate diversity in your brand message. Diversity and inclusion are important aspects of modern branding. Make sure your brand message reflects and celebrates the diversity of your audience. Use inclusive language and imagery and highlight stories from different perspectives. A diverse brand message helps you connect with a wider audience and shows that you value everyone's voice. Next, we'll look at how to use innovation to keep your message fresh. Innovation keeps your brand message relevant and exciting. Experiment with new formats, platforms, and creative ideas. Don't be afraid to take risks and try something different. Innovation shows that your brand is forward-thinking and adaptable. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of community engagement. Building a strong brand involves engaging with your community. Host events, participate in local initiatives, and support causes that align with your values. Community engagement strengthens your brand message and builds lasting relationships. It also provides valuable feedback and helps you stay connected to your audience. Next, we'll look at how to use storytelling to inspire action. Stories have the power to inspire action. Use storytelling to motivate your audience to take the next step, whether it's making a purchase, joining a cause, or sharing your message. Highlight real-life examples of people who have benefited from your brand. Inspiring stories create emotional connections and drive engagement. In the final scene, we'll summarize the key points of crafting a strong brand message. Crafting a strong brand message takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Start by defining your purpose, values, and unique value proposition. Understand your audience, use clear and authentic language, and be consistent across all channels. Involve your team, listen to feedback, and be willing to adapt. Remember, your brand message is the foundation of your identity and the key to building lasting relationships with your audience. Keep refining and evolving your message as your brand grows.